It smells like bathroom. It's already, why'd you do that? What was on your hand?
Water. It was in the trash can.
Ew, thanks.
That was like coffee.
Ew, thanks.
Like coffee?
Like coffee. Coffee. Oh, menu. Oh.
Kara,
Yeah.
can I see your paper?
Go ahead.
Oh my god, you're videotaping that.
Hey.
Ew.
You stay away from me.
Can you zoom in off the case?
Careful with the lips. No,
Liger.
Isabel, stop
I'll see
recording.
you a laggard.
Stop. Damn, how Wait, okay, so why didn't you like it at one point?
He said, I'll show you a lighter mustache.
They were
Ew.
I didn't do it.
Huh? Cause I was like, you're like what? I was in my room laying down and then like, I don't know, I thought like someone was watching TV really loud.
My dad is a fireman.
But nobody was.
Want to hear a story?
No.
My dad's a fireman. He went to a call.
Your dad's a fireman?
Yeah.
Really?
He went to a call like 2 days ago. He works in Orange
Are
County.
you gonna be a fireman? What do you
I
mean?
could be if I wanted to.
Banana.
He's like
Shut up,
the
don't
chief.
tell a story.
Anyway.